I'm Ryan Schultz, and I lead One North.
I'm Colin Pika, and I lead strategy at One North.
I think the thing that makes the Assembly unique is the same thing that makes our agency unique. At the Assembly, we're going to bring that multidisciplinary point of view to the stage and talk about single issues through the lens of strategy, design, technology, and hopefully that provides enough ways in for everyone in attendance to walk away with something very tangible for their day-to-day. Events that we've done in the past have tended to be a little bigger and a little bit closer to home. This is the first time we're getting back to a destination event where we take clients out of their context, we take our employees and our team members out of their context, and we all convene on a single place that is foreign to most of us.
One of my hopes is that people will be able to have really interesting, meaningful conversations with folks that share similar problems, maybe have new ideas, but aren't the kind of people that they would encounter in their day-to-day professional life.
Sundance is obviously known for its skiing. It's a great boutique ski resort, but during the rest of the year, it serves as a retreat for creatives and professionals from all over the world. We wanted to tap into that atmosphere, that sort of casual, relaxed atmosphere, and really find a place where we could innovate and think outside the box with our clients and with folks that we wanted to attend this event, and just provide that different point of view. And Sundance seemed like the obvious place to really pull everyone out.
The idea for the long view started with this realization that there is just a lot going on in our lives that have put us into a reactive mode. A lot of things changing very quickly. And while we've all done a reasonably good job of becoming agile and being nimble and making sure that we keep things going, we also had the sense that something was missing. And specifically, that's those bigger, broader questions like what are we doing? Where are we going? What do we really want out of all of this?